It's time to get down to business, baby. That's right. It's time for the Nascar Craftsman Truck Series. The original. It was 2001, 2009 action. PlayStation 2. 1999 PlayStation 2, the older version. The only thing that's missing is the plate that goes on here. It's been like that since I had it. I wish I had that symbol plate on it. Probably just the hinges, and maybe missing a spring in it too for the door. It's the door plate that's missing off of it, along with the PlayStation symbol. It would be all colorized. It was on there, yellow. It would be yellow, blue, and red with a white stripe.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Yellow, blue, and red, like right in here. It was on there. Big old tattoo symbol, metal plate symbol.
EA Sports, it's in the game. If it's in the game, EA Sports, it's in the game. It's in the game. EA Sports, it's in the game.
Was that Buckshot Jones or was that Dick Trickle?
2005, Chase for the Cup.
It goes like na 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 na. Kevin Harvick, who took over the GM Goodrich Chevrolet right after Dylan Hart died, and that's it right there. Hi-yow. Action. Truck Series. It's gonna be this one right here. Action. We'll be there in just a moment. Hey, you know it's gonna be a great day, 'cause I'm just gonna wanna send it. Oh. See what we can do. Here's the standings. So yeah, back crafting. I'm actually back. Travis Quapple still leading on 18 points back though. Travis Quapple, John Wood is up there in 20, so 26 points back. Carl Edwards hanging in there in 6th. White is still there. Brandon Whitmore just came to Cole with, oh man, it'll be a son. Let's get it on. Pole awards, we're in the lead of that, of course, with 7 poles. Scott Bush, not King of the Bush brothers, unfortunately. And then Jason Powell, I remember I heard him. Jason Powell, 1 pole as well. And the calendar, it's going to be the 18th of April. Let's go, boogity boogity, Kansas Speedway for the O'Reilly Auto Parts 250. Let's go. That'll be a great race, classic race right here. O'Reilly Auto Parts 250 at Kansas Speedway. Here we go. I can dream about my driving wheels, running hard, rolling hard, move my body and rock my soul. We have made them make it the start. My view and now come on. Might be crazy, might be in love. You're a driving wheel.
The Kansas Speedway is home to some of the most exciting and competitive racing that the Nascar Craftsman Truck Series has to offer. High speeds and door-handle-to-door-handle racing will keep fans on the edge of their seats as 36 of NASCAR's most promising drivers will battle on this 1.5-mile oval. 15 degrees of banking in these turns won't prove to be enough to keep these trucks off the wall. Look for the aggressive style that the Craftsman Truck Series has become synonymous with on display here at the Kansas Speedway.
We'll be underway here at Kansas Speedway as well here in just a moment. Don't wear no hat this time. Let's go. Look what cat is here. I found it. I'll wear it to work tomorrow. My good old blue and white. And it's green cat will be wearing it tomorrow. Cat. Come on, man. Oh, come on. We gotta be going to keep the foot and gas. We got the engine in that truck. I'm gonna slide up a little bit off the wall. Go down with the tire pressure on me for the race right now. pretty good right now. Yes, sir. Thank you kindly, sir. Yeah, mama. Let's go. Up through the gear, just analog. Oh, the truck's on the track. Go ahead and get out on the track. Full throttle, right about. Now, full throttle. Here we go. Got me a little slack. The truck's gonna go slick right here. This first one lap. But when I get everything, full throttle now. It's action time. That's a pole position there, bro. Yeah. Oh, second. You're right there. Oh, we just missed it there. Actually, by a few tenths. It was right there. I'll go ahead and bring that tire pressure down a little bit. One out in. I got with a 75 there. Suspension. What? Put that right there. Gear ratio. We'll go to set up 6. Here we go, baby. We're underway at. We're going underway here at Kansas Motor Speedway. Travis Problem meets on the pole. And it's anybody's gonna be that cat. Everything wide up there, pull away. That was my fault there. I was trying to pull a little too hard. What was that, Edwards? Caution was out. That thing always had trouble with trying to get speed out of the truck early on the start of the race. He didn't even get a dent, a scratch. He didn't even get nothing. Maybe a scratch there on the tail of the truck. But wow, he actually really didn't get home. He wasn't even up to speed yet. He just tried to go. Well, got a new leader now. Charles Cropper went one way out. This other guy went about 2 or 3. Okay, Cropper. Oh, somebody around. I can't tell who that is. That's the 114 or the 14 truck. We'll have one more look at it right here. Who was it? Toward the back. It's the 151 looks like. Well, that sure is something. like some speed. I'm gonna pit right here anyway. They're probably all gonna pit, but if some of them stay out, you know, I'll probably have to pit again for the race though, but if some of them stay out, I can actually get a lap ahead of them, and probably, hopefully there'll be another caution whenever the next pit stop comes. Rather if we don't pit right here, I'd rather them not pit. They're more likely gonna pit. Yep. Here we go. Our first lap was it. That was Quapple Star on pole. It should be in front of us, but I don't see him. About 4 trucks beat us off there. I'm back green now. Gonna be a great of the day. This race gonna be ending quick with all the cautions. Sorry, bud. You last week, the last 2 weeks, you kept getting him away. You never would get out of the way. You're always in everyone's way. Alright, you probably do that. How is nobody getting any damage? We're going at like 160 out here. Nobody's getting any damage. Try to catch it where I get the ball sideways, flush, not straight in. Looks like we're second now, yeah. Where's Quap? I don't even see him up here. Oh, I have a huge jump. I got the gas for the every week. Not just me. You're in everybody's way every week. And look what you do. Look what you did. Look what you did. You're an idiot. 63. Again, I don't even know. It's a fake driver I think he's driving, but still. Everybody's way every week. Hey, they're going to let me keep the lead. I appreciate that. I was in the lead anyway, and that guy ought to be penalized for reckless driving. I got to him and looked at I was barely bumping, but I bumped him a lot, but barely bumping. However, they don't need to put it in. So many cautions. That's just the wrong guy. Stupid 64. Here he comes again. like he wants me to share craft with him. Don't let me close in on you, Bobby. Why'd you do that? Probably after that win. That's the only reason. That's as clean as we ever raced before. But still, I curse the name Bobby as long as I live. Damn. Hey, but one thing that's great, where's Travis Quapple? Where's Travis Quapple at? Ha ha. Travis. There's Cook. Even Cook's back there. Where's Witt? Cole, Brandon Big. He finished fourth. Speed. Wow, what's speed? There. Travis Quapple finished 13th. Yeah! I started second, finished second. Carl Edwards 18th. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, this is great. Dave Blaney back there as well. Hey, let's see the racing highlights. Not a bad week. Guess Bobby won it. That's all I think. Somebody by the name of Bobby had to win it. I was setting up. I was ready to make a move on the last lap down the back straightaway. But then my truck, once I got coming to the white flag, when my handling started going away, I felt the truck slide up, and then it showed that my tires were going, fading off, and whenever that happens, it just way too late. I thought I was saving, which I was. I thought I was saving just enough. I was drafted behind to save as much tires as I can, because when you're out front, you use more. So I was drafting with Bobby, not just also to get a friendly, but drafting to get ready to pass him, but just right there, just one lap short, truck just went away, the car went away, the handling just went off. Could have lifted a little bit, but even if it would have lifted, it would have just like been if I hit the ball still. But I had to lift the block to keep from the wall. Tire was wrong. Straight up sitting in the wall there, messed the handling up, and they fixed it. And when that got that secondary damage, a lot of damage with the 64 pushed in the wall there. The truck handled way better. That damage, the truck handled way better. It's after the pit. Racing now. Got to be second place now. That's the finish. It was just me and Bobby right there. Ran out of room. So here we are now. Again. We have won only one race in the Truck Series so far, and that's 2 or 3 times now we finished second. Our day's coming. Our day is coming. And I remember this speedway, it looks a lot like, so it's Tree Shore Lake 200. Don't know, is that it? That ain't Pokin though, I thought it was Pokin. Well, I'll see you at the next track, Tricky Triangle looks like. Not Pokin, but some type of Tricky Triangle, that's all I'm saying, some Tricky Triangle. Something like that. Something like that. Well, Bobby won. Bobby won. Not Bobby Helm. Spring me back to 2001 at Bristol, and Bobby, freaking Bobby, coming out right back, come on. And that was last year when that other thing happened. Bobby just ran me in the wall. And now we got this Bobby. I got a different series to get away from Bobby, and there's another Bobby. And an older Bobby, he's better than me. I can't escape the Bobbies. There it is. We move back into the points lead, baby. Yeah. Where's Bobby Hamilton? Oh, he's 7th, but he's way back there. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, we're in the points lead. By 20. Yes, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I tell you, Witt ain't gonna be. Brandon Witt is a loser. He ain't gonna win no more. Watch y'all see he's gonna start winning. Pole Awards, you know, there you go. Travis Quapple got one as well. And last thing but not least, the calendar is gonna be on the 25th, not 24th, 25th, at whatever speedway that is. Late. So I love you guys. I'm Randall. Peace out. So the next one's gonna be race 11. So we'll see you there for whatever that race is. 200. Or if it's a dirt race, oh my gosh. I love you guys though, so peace out. Until the next one. Dang. I'll take a picture of the point standings real quick. I love you guys. Peace out.